Welcome back, TuneUp community. I hope you too are kicking goals with your 18 minutes a day. Welcome back, TuneUp community. It's so lovely to have you all back here again today. I'm overwhelmed by the amount of subscribers. For all the new subscribers, this channel is a community channel. It's set up to support you guys to achieve something that you've always wanted to do. Every day I post something that I've always wanted to do, and you guys can follow along and hopefully be inspired to stick with your goals and do 18 minutes a day on something that you've always wanted to do. If you have a question for me or a comment or need a little bit more support or inspiration, please drop something in the comments section and I will reply. Thanks. Yep, Melbourne definitely has 4 seasons in one day. From a beautiful blue sky and hot day to a spectacular light show storm in the night. But I still managed to get my 18 minutes in. Stay to the end to see how. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified when we drop the next video. Follow the journey. Good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.